Ladies and gentlemen, today, we stand at a crossroads, a juncture between merely existing in our circumstances and taking charge of our destinies. How often do we find ourselves caught in the web of complaints, lamenting our situations, yet hesitating to take the reins of change into our own hands? Complainango, how tempting it is. It seems to offer a temporary solace, a fleeting comfort in the face of adversity. But let me tell you, friends, complaining seldom accomplishes much. It's a drain on our energy, a hindrance to progress, and a barrier to seizing opportunities. Consider this: every moment spent complaining is a moment lost, a moment we could have spent taking actionable steps towards transformation. It's time to shift the narrative, to flip the script, and channel that energy into action. Firstly, let's acknowledge that dissatisfaction can be a powerful catalyst for change. It's okay to feel discontent. It's a signal from within, call to action. Instead of dwelling on the negatives, let's use that dissatisfaction as fuel, the kind of fuel that propels us forward. Now, here's the crucial point. Taking action doesn't always demand giant leaps. It starts with small, deliberate steps. It's about identifying what irks us, what needs change, and making a commitment to tackle it, one step at a time. We have within us the power to change our circumstances, the power to rewrite our stories. It's about making choices, taking responsibility, and refusing to be a passive spectator in our own lives. Remember, the pen to our life story lies in our hands. Moreover, let's replace complaints with solutions. Instead of dwelling on what's wrong, let's focus on finding solutions, on what we can do to change the course of our lives. It's about cultivating a mindset of problem solving and resilience. And perhaps most importantly, it's about embracing discomfort. Growth seldom happens within our comfort zones. It's when we push beyond the boundaries of familiarity that we discover our true potential. So, fellow travelers on this journey called life, let's choose action over complaint. Let's be the architects of our destinies, the creators of our realities. It's time to stop complaining about our situations and start doing something about them. Let's rise, embrace change, and pave the way for a future where complaints are replaced by actions, and challenges are met with resilience and determination. Join me in taking that first step today. Let's turn our complaints into catalysts for change. Thank you.